Something insane is happening on YouTube right now. A whole new niche just exploded, and it's pulling in millions of views out of nowhere, where channels are getting monetized in literally their first week of posting. This channel right here gained over 100,000 subscribers with just 33 videos. Another channel hit 110,000 subscribers with only 70 uploads, and yet another one hit nearly 1.5 million subscribers and racked up over 200 million views, which is just insane. But here's what's even crazier. All of the channels I mentioned are making thousands of dollars every single month. So let me explain. There's a niche blowing up on YouTube where the videos target viewers' emotions, making them highly engaging, which automatically boosts watch time, and that's what makes the algorithm push them out to millions of people. And the best part about this is that these videos are extremely easy to create because they're made entirely with AI. So in this video, I'll show you the exact blueprint on how to create your own viral videos in this same exact niche, where AI will do everything for you. So even if you have zero experience, by the end of this video, you'll be ready to launch your own Faceless channel with a real potential to blow up. So now, lock in, because I'm about to share some knowledge with you that most of the so-called gurus out there don't talk about. And this brings us to the first step, which is channel creation. So let's get straight to it. To start off, open ChatGPT and ask it to generate a list of YouTube channel name ideas, but make sure to copy the exact prompt I'm using for the best results. Also, you can find all of the prompts I'll be using in this video inside my free Telegram channel, linked down below. Alright, now just click generate, and within seconds, ChatGPT will give you a list of some pretty good and unique channel names that you can use. Now that you have a list of channel names ready, it's time to create a channel description. So now, go ahead and ask ChatGPT to generate a perfectly optimized and humane description. Then choose the name that you like, copy it, then make sure to paste the name you chose directly into the prompt. Once that's done, just click generate, and just like that, ChatGPT will give you a channel description that will stand out and won't sound robotic at all. Now that you've created your channel name and description, let me show you how to make the perfect logo for your channel. So watch closely. First, in the same chat in ChatGPT, ask it to create a detailed image prompt that you'll use to generate a unique logo for your channel. But for the best results, feel free to just copy the exact prompt I'm using. Alright, now just click generate, and ChatGPT will instantly give you the perfect logo prompt, fully branded and tailored specifically for your channel. Now that you have the logo prompt ready, to create the logo, we'll use a tool called Leonardo AI, so go ahead and open it. Once you're in, start by opening the image creation tool, and now watch closely. First, make sure to set the generation model to Leonardo Phoenix for cleaner logo samples. Then, down in the image dimensions, set it as 1 by 1, since that's the exact logo format. Next, head back to ChatGPT and copy the entire logo prompt you created. Then return to Leonardo AI, paste the prompt into the prompt box, and then just click generate. This usually takes around 30 seconds, and once it's done, you'll see that we have created some great logo options that perfectly match your niche. Now just pick the one you like, open it, and download it using the download button below. Now I'm sure most of you already know how to create a YouTube channel, so just go ahead and upload the logo you just made, then paste the channel name, choose a custom channel handle, and right below that, add your channel description. And that's pretty much it. It's a super easy process. Alright, now that our channel is finally ready, let's move on to the next step, which is script creation. But watch closely, because I'm about to show you a secret method that will help you create a script with massive viral potential. To start off, go ahead and open a channel in the same niche that has already gotten some good results, for example this one. Then, open the most popular videos on that channel and click on one that has a high number of views. Once you do that, just click the share button below the video and make sure to copy the video link. Once that's done, head over to a free tool called Tactic. Here, simply paste the video link you copied into the link section, then click on Get Video Transcript. And just like that, Tactic will give you the full script of the example video in just a few seconds, which is crazy. Now, you just need to copy the script you got and then head over to ChatGPT. Once you're in, paste the entire script you just copied and make sure to delete the first few unneeded lines at the top. After that, scroll down and below the script, ask ChatGPT to remove all the timestamps from the imported script. Then just click generate, and just like that, all the timestamps will be gone, and now you've got a clean and ready to use script template, which you'll use to create your own original version. Now, to create your own original script, ask ChatGPT to write a completely new version based on the script above. But once again, for the best results, just copy the exact prompt that I'm using. Alright, Now just click Generate, and the script creation process will begin. This usually takes around 15 seconds, and once it's done, as you can see, we've just created a script that is original, while keeping all the viral elements that made the original video successful. And honestly, the script is just perfect. Now that you've created a perfectly branded channel and a pretty solid script, you're finally ready for the next step, which is video creation. And trust me, this part will blow your mind. So let's get straight into it. To create the video, we'll be using an insane tool called VidAI, so go ahead and open it up. Now, there are multiple features in this tool, but in our case, go ahead and open the Faceless Shorts feature. Now you need to start off by naming your project in the section above. Once that's done, below that, you will notice multiple script options, so let me explain how they work. First, you can create a video just by choosing a video topic, and as you can see, there are a lot of different topics that you can choose from. Next, you can also create a video just by entering a simple prompt, which I will show you how to use later on. But since we already have our own original script, go ahead and choose the regular script feature and then head over to ChatGPT. Here you need to copy the entire script that you created earlier. Once that's done, head back into VidAI and paste the script into the script section. And just like that, you'll be ready to go. Now, as you can see, the length of the video will be automatically calculated for you. In my case, it's 80 seconds long, which is perfect. Now below that, you'll find the narrator section, where you can choose a voice for your video. So let's preview how some of them sound, starting with the Adam voice.
The people who are crazy enough to think they can change the world.
And now let's check out a female voice as well.
You gotta be careful if you don't know where you're going.
As you can see, the voices sound amazing, but I really like how the Matt voice sounds, so I'm going to go with that one. Now below the voices section, you'll find the generation models, and here you can see a variety of models that all look pretty good. With these, you can literally create a video in any niche you want. But for our specific niche and style, go ahead and select the cinematic model, which fits perfectly. Now you also have the option to add gameplay videos as your video background, and there are multiple cool options to choose from. Below that, you can even add viral video clips, which I'm sure you've seen before. But since our script is really solid, we'll stick with the generated images for now. Alright, once everything is ready, just click the Generate Content button below, and the video generation process will begin. This process will take around 1 minute to finish, and once it's done, as you can see, all of the images for your video will be fully generated. Now here's the cool part. You can also customize the text that's included directly from this section. And one really useful feature is that you can regenerate any image you're not happy with, and it will instantly replace it with a brand new one. Feel free to tweak and regenerate as much as you like. But since this tool gives out some pretty good and consistent images, I'm gonna leave most of the video exactly as it is. Now once you're done with everything, simply click the button below, then just hit generate, and within about a minute, your video will be fully ready. Basically, the video is now created, but let's take it a step further and tweak it a bit to make it even better. To start off, you can add background music to your video to make it more engaging, and here you'll find a ton of viral tracks, some of which you've probably heard before, like this one. Now, once you've chosen a background track, just scroll down, and here make sure to lower the volume slightly so it doesn't overpower the voiceover. Now, just below the volume slider, you'll find the caption settings, where you can choose between multi-word or single-word captions. The single-word option will show just one word at a time, which can look cool, but it's optional. Personally, I'll go with the multi-word option. Next, you can customize the font style of the captions. There are a bunch of great-looking fonts to choose from, but I really like how the Beast font looks, so that's the one I'll use. Right below that, you can customize the font color and the stroke color, which I'll leave as they are. But in the text size settings, make sure to make the text a bit bigger for better visibility. You can also change the highlight mode of the captions, like adding a text background, but I really like how the standard text looks, so I'll keep it that way. Next, you can customize the color of the text highlight using the color picker. But a really cool feature here is the zoom effect, where you can choose different zoom styles. Make sure to pick the style you like the most. You really can't go wrong because both options look great. Once that's set, increase the zoom speed a bit to make the video more engaging. To add the final touch, there's also a shake effect with plenty of great options, but I'll leave mine as it is. Now, once you have customized everything, you are ready to generate the video, and to do that, just simply click on the generate button below, and the generation process will begin. This process will take around 1 minute, and once it's done, your video will be automatically downloaded for you. Now, before we check out how the final video turned out, let me show you an even easier way to create videos in this exact niche, a method that lets you pump out 5 to 10 videos per day with ease. So watch closely. Now, just like before, head over to VidAI and open the Faceless Shorts feature, then watch closely. First, you can create videos using the popular topics feature, where you'll find the exact niche we're using right here. Then, simply choose the video length below that, and just like that, you can create videos with only a few clicks. But an even better way is to create videos using the prompt feature. Now, of course, you'll need a prompt to create a video, so let me drop some sauce on that. First, go ahead and open ChatGPT in the same chat where you created your video script. Then, in the prompt box below, ask it to create 10 original video creation prompts based on the script you made earlier. And once again, just copy the entire prompt I'm using right here. Now, click Generate, and in just a few seconds, ChatGPT will give you a list of some really good video creation prompts. Trust me, all of them will work perfect for making a viral video. Now just pick the one you like and copy it fully. Once that's done, head back into VidAI and paste the prompt into the prompt box. Then, below that, choose a narrator you like, and at the end, set the generation model to cinematic. And that's pretty much it. A simple yet super effective process that will give you a perfect video in just a few minutes. But also, with VidAI, you can create those viral fake text videos that I'm pretty sure you've seen before. Plus, you can make split screen videos using the split screen option. Alright, now that our final video is ready, let's finally see how it turned out. So enjoy.
A boy burst through the front door, gasping for breath. His clothes were torn and his face was scratched. Behind him, distant sirens wailed, growing louder. His older sister looked up from the couch, startled. "What happened?" she asked. He didn't answer, just held up trembling hands, covered in blood. She froze. "Whose blood is that?" He collapsed to the floor, whispering, "I didn't mean to. I didn't know what to do." Blue and red lights flooded the windows. A voice shouted through a megaphone, "Come out with your hands up!"
Just like always, I'm not going to show you the full video here, just to save us some time. But as you can see for yourself, the video is an absolute banger. Alright, now that everything is created, let's head over to YouTube and upload the video. First, open YouTube and start by uploading the video you have just created. Now, while the video is uploading, you will notice something important. We still don't have a video title. So here's how to create a banger title in seconds. Open ChatGPT in the same chat where you created your script, and simply ask it to generate 5 catchy video titles based on the script above. Once you click Generate, ChatGPT will give you some pretty powerful and attention-grabbing titles you can pick from. Now just pick the title you like the most, and make sure to copy it. Then head back into the YouTube studio, and simply paste it into the title section. Now you'll notice we're still missing something important, which are the hashtags. So let me quickly show you how you can find perfect proven-to-work hashtags for your video. To do that, first open a channel that's in the same niche, just like this one. Then, go to their most popular videos and pick a video that has a good amount of views. Here, you'll notice the video has hashtags either in the title or in the description, and these are the ones you want to use because they are already proven to work in your niche. So, copy those hashtags, then head back to your YouTube studio, and simply paste them right next to your title, and that's pretty much it. A super easy and effective process. Now finally, scroll down and make sure to select that the video is not made for kids, since this type of content is meant for a general audience. Once that's done, navigate to the visibility menu. Here, just set the video as public, then click on the publish button, and congrats, you have now successfully uploaded your first YouTube short that has the potential to blow up. Now you have everything you need to start a successful channel in this exact same niche, and from here on, it's all up to you. If this video helped you out, make sure to smash that like button. Think of it as a little way to give back for all the value I shared with you for free. And as always, keep pushing, and see you in the next one.